Wow, do I have some gorgeous wigs to show you today. Just keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back in and welcome to the wigs I wore in November. If you are new to my channel, first of all, welcome. Every month I do a very short video showing you some of the wigs I wore in the previous month. Now this is not a wig review. This is a fun short video just showing you some of the wigs I just thought were fun for the month. Now, if you see one of these that you would like to know more about, just put the name of the wig in the search bar and the full video will pop up that has all the information. Inside of the cap, fit, discussion of permatease, indoor and outdoor lighting, very detailed reviews. Just put the name in the search bar. All right, let's get started. Well, excuse my voice. My allergies are not playing well today. This wig, let's just take a moment. This is my Eileen wig from Wig Studio One from the Push line of human hair wigs and toppers. Well, this is a winner. This wig, this color is Brulee Doré. And y'all, you know, I don't show a lot of human hair because I don't have a lot of human hair. I have this wig, I have two Eileen wigs, and I have my push hair pony wig that's called Lucy. And I have just almost worn it completely out. I need to get another one. But I wanted just to start out because I've been wearing my Eileen wig a lot this month and I wanted to show it to you. I think I have two reviews on my channel of this wig. Of course, I have to always say how honored I am to have this wig named for me. It's just something, it's like a dream, you know. I'm 64 years old. You know, whoever thought that I would go down this journey with wigs and then end up having a wig named for me? It is just such an honor. But look at this gorgeous wig. If you're looking for a human hair wig, this is 100% Remy European human hair. Like I said, I have a full video on it. The cap on this is amazing. The fit is wonderful. There are some beautiful colors. So if you're in the market for a human hair wig, I would just encourage you to check this one out on the wigstudio1.com website. All the wigs I'm going to show you today are from there. All right, let's look at a few more of my styles. Okay, this is my editor's pick and the color is Iced Cappuccino. This is not the elite version. I can't get enough editor's pick. I wear it all the time. I think it is just such a beautiful wearable color and style. I love the waves. I love the little bang here that you can kind of put down. I just don't even know how you get much better than this. This color to me is just so wearable. If you're looking to darken up your look a little, if you're really blonde and you want to try something else, have a look at this color. I think it is really beautiful. All right, this is Henry Margaux Hannah in 31H. I have had Hannah in, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 colors. I think this is another beautiful wearable style, but look at this color. It is so rich and gorgeous. I love it. The highlighting in this color I think is just perfectly done. It's not overdone, it's not stark, but yet it gives this wig some personality. This is a really nice one. I know I've shown you this wig so many times in so many colors. Ellen Villa Relax. This one's chocolate rooted. You know, I am warming my look up to this, you know, in the fall, in the winter, I start wanting to wear some warmer colors and oh my goodness, this chocolate rooted is so fun. And this wig, I mean, I think it's a bestseller for a reason. I love all these spiky layers. I like to just get my hands in it just like this and mess it up where it's super messy. I don't know if y'all have tried the Pieced to Perfection. I know it's hard for the camera to pick this up. I will put a graphic up. This is a texturizing mist from Push Hair by Wig Studio One. My new favorite. I love this because it's unscented. And it's just like all the misting, texturizing sprays you have used. Separate those fibers. Oh my gosh. This wig is so fun. But if you haven't tried this, give it a try. There has been so much buzz about this wig, Jon Renau Aurora. I have 24 BT18S8. Wow, look at this wig. I mean, the waves, the length, everything about it. So much movement here. I can't say enough. I love this wig. I'm going on a big vacation next week and I'm wearing this on the plane. Now, you know I've shown you Juliet before. I now have 3 Juliets. This one, and it's from Push Hair, again, by Wig Studio One. This is Heat Friendly Synthetic. And this color is Pumpkin Pie Spice R. Wow. Nothing I don't like about this wig. The bangs are perfect. I love the style of this. I love the sleekness of it, the length of it. Juliet is a winner. This is another wig that has gotten a ton of buzz. Everybody loves it. Beltress Broadway Buttered Toast R is my color. You know, don't try to make this what it's not. This is not supposed to be fixed. This is supposed to be beachy waves, little spiky ends. This color is gorgeous. Look at the highlighting in this color. I love it. I like the bangs. I like just the carefree feel of this wig. Yes. I like the highlighting again. I think is so pretty the way they took it. Look how it is on the ends of this. Very, very well done. This is a new style for me. This is Tressalure Euro Chic 1426 R10. Keeping in the true style of a classic bob, they hit a home run with this one. There's a lot of fiber on this wig. This is not, there's not a lot of permatease in this wig. There's just a lot of fiber in this wig. So it's like a medium density, I would say, light to medium. I think it's so pretty. I love how it falls. I've got some stray hairs here. I love how it falls around the face. This is pretty. It's a beautiful shape, I think. And this color is really, really nice. Tressalure did a really nice job on this new collection they had, and I'm glad I got to try this one. How fun is this wig? I absolutely adore it. This is Aesthetica Jace in Caramel Kiss. Wow, if you are looking for a new pixie, here you go. Fits really nice and tight on the nape, which you know I don't want my wigs lifting. Get your hands in here, spike this up. I mean, I think the more volume you can get in here and the spikier you can make this, the more you're gonna love it. This is super cute. Y'all know how we have wigs in our closet and we kind of forget about them. Then we take them out and think, oh, I forgot how much I like that. That's this wig for me. This is Beltress Catania Raw Sugar Blonde R. Yes, I love all these waves. I think it's so pretty. Lots of movement and body here. Beautiful color, Raw Sugar Blonde R. But this is so pretty. I like it with a turtleneck like this and just with these blonde waves. Yes. Okay guys, that's what I got. I hope you enjoyed this short video of some of the wigs I wore in November. Please leave me some messages. I like to get to know you. I love to interact with you. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. See you soon.